This is the 2018 Honda Civic LX. It is equipped with LED daytime running lights. You have your steering wheel controls to be able to answer your phone calls. You can Bluetooth your audio in to the vehicle. You'll have Econ mode, electronic parking brake, deep cup holder storage compartment, USB port and power port. You will have all-weather floor mats in the front driver, front passenger, and in the back seat. The capless fuel filler. You do have a backup camera. Nice spacious trunk with the spare tire and kit. This is the 2018 Honda Civic LX.